Welcome to the Using Multiple Devices tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will cover how to collect data at one location using more than one device. To ensure the data collected on each device will sync to the server properly, there are several steps that must be followed.
For already established sites, on one desktop or mobile device, download the sites that will be visited in the field. Open the site, navigate to the Log tab, and create the event. At this time, if you know the date sampling will occur, you can change the event date, or you can wait and change the date when you are in the field. Be sure to change the event date on all devices for the data to sync properly. Sync the updated database to the server, then download the sites to your remaining devices.
When in the field, make sure each device has the correct transect number selected before you begin data collection. Data collected on two devices on the same transect will create a conflict during the sync process. For example, if tablet 1 is collecting data on transect 1 and tablet 2 should be collecting data on transect 2 but accidentally collects data on transect 1, conflicts will occur. If the correct transect numbers are not used, there's a way to correct the conflict. Please see the server sync tutorial for more information on conflict resolution.
Once you return from the field, sync one device at a time to the server. A Datascope report can be generated in VGS Online to confirm all transects were synced to the server. For new folders or sites, create the folders and sites ahead of time on one device, then follow the same steps. If events are created separately on each device, the transects will be split into multiple sampling events in the log after the data has been synced to the server. To merge the data from multiple sampling events into one, the sampling events must use the same protocol and have the same date. Download the site to your desktop or device, open the site, and navigate to the Log tab. Select one of the events, drag, then drop into the other event. Follow the prompts until the merge is complete. Make a backup of the database before you sync, then sync the corrected data to the server. If an error arises, contact the VGS Dev team for guidance on how to resolve the issue.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.